Today, November 29th, 2022, was, by all accounts, the best action of the 2022 bald eagle season. At about 11 a.m., the dam opened one of the spill gates closest to the generating units. A massive amount of water flowed over the spillway for about a minute or two before the spillway was closed. Within about 10 minutes, dozens of bald eagles started to dive and pick up very small minnows in the Susquehanna River. Normally, when eagles pick up larger fish, the eagles will take the fish back to a tree and take their time eating the fish. With the small minnows, they do something different. They grab the fish and transfer the fish to their mouth in flight, swallow it, and make another pass at catching more fish. Did the brief opening of the spill gate have anything to do with the increased eagle activity? As they say, correlation does not indicate causation, and one data point does not make a trend, but it is certainly an interesting coincidence.